Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm now back with another Leetcode problem number 2070. Problem number 2070. Today's problem is a medium get problem. So let's read out the problem. Most beautiful item for each query, right? So for each, you are given a 2D integer array items where items of I is equal to price I comma beauty I denotes the price and beauty of an item respectively. Okay, that's price and the beauty is given in a array. It is a 2D array, right? So, okay. You are also given a zero index integer array queries. For each query j, you want to determine the maximum beauty of an item whose price is less than or equal to query of j. If no such item exists, then the answer to the query is zero. Okay, got it. So the over let's take some example, that is items it is given. Okay, let's copy it here. Yes. Queries are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's, um, let's copy onto me. These are the items given. Let's comment it on first. Yeah, these are the items given, and the queries are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. That's it. Okay. We can the 2, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay. So the thing is that we are given with a 2D array of items like this. This is the price and this is the beauty. Okay, so we have to find the most beauty item of each query. That is for query number one. With this price, we need the maximum beauty, right? So let's write up, that is it is price, that is price and the beauty given. Price and the beauty is given like this in the items. So the thing is that first the thing it will be like brute force approach you can apply, but it will be of the complexity of n square, that is not at all good. So we will directly jump into the optimal solution. The optimal solution that we can reach to this problem is, we can just sort the item, this array, based on some keys, right? That is, so to sort it it's based on the price. So we'll sort this array based on this value, right? So uh, we have to also sort the queries also. Actually, it is in the ascending order that is already given, but it may be a case that the queries are not in the proper order. So we have to also sort the order. mm, Order, that is, uh, queries are sorted. Queries should be sorted, and during the sort, I will also store the index, because after sorting, actually, I will lose the sequence of the queries, right? But the solution that they actually are asking for is in the sequence. It will be in the sequence that how the queries are filed. So the thing is that we have to also store the index, so that during returning the result, we can return in that particular order only. You have to take it into account. So the format that I will be using, that is query, that is Q. I am denoting it as Q, and this is the way that I want to sort and to modify the ultimate query array. Okay. After uh, After the sorting, I can perform the operations. That is quite similar to the brute force only. I will use the pointers over here. Dear pointers, I will be using pointers, and I will be traveling through the. I will be traveling through the items array to find out the proper result. So I will just jump into the code directly. It will be much more practical. So the first step is sorting. Sorting sorting both of the input array. Okay, sorting both of the input array. Item item dot sort. That is items dot sort. I am just sorting the item first. Then queries queue. Yes, queries equal to so what is of it will be in the list format. List inside list it will be a tuple q comma I for I in I comma q is q. Okay. In enumerate. Actually, I am also storing the index also. Queries to the queries enumerate in queries. Okay. Then I will take for returning the result in the same sequence. I have to also take a result array. Result. I can also do this is equal to zero. That is zero into len of no. I can also do this. Okay. That is this. And I will also keep the track of the maximum beauty at that point of time. During the iteration, I will also store the maximum beauty at that point. So max beauty beauty is equal to zero. Okay, max beauty is equal to zero. Right? So, beauty is equal to zero. Hmm. So no, now for traversing the items array, I will be using a pointer for that. That can be J. J. Oh, sorry. P1. Yeah, sorry. Py. Any be a pointer to the item array. Okay. J is equal to 0. So now I will be traversing through the queries. And the queries are storing the tuples, right? So I have to traverse both of them. So for for q comma I in queries and its queries q comma I in queries, I will be traversing until the price is available. Okay, I will be traversing until the price is available. So that particular price, for an example, here it is given as one, right? I will traverse the items I will traverse the items array until this query is not available. Until this query. So for that operation, I have to also use the while loop inside. So let's do this first. Then traverse mm, until until the price pricing is available. Is available. Okay. While while J is the length of items. J should be less than items. Let's say it will go out of bounds, right? Um, and items of J. 20. So I am now comparing the query and the price, right? I have to keep the track of the price. Until the price is not available, I will be traversing throughout the array. Okay. Items of J of 0, that is the price. okay, j of price, that particular price, less than is equal to which query q, less than is equal to the q. Now I have to find out the maximum beauty. At that point of time, I have to find out the maximum beauty. Okay, find, find the maximum beauty. AUTY at that point. Okay, max beauty is equal to max of max beauty, comma max beauty, comma the beauty value is present at the second position, uh, like the second position, right? Okay, okay, quite cool, cool. ITM is items of J, that is same position, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So now after the operation, I will also increment the pointer. I will also increment the pointer for continuing the loop. 1. Okay. Uh, Now after doing all these things, we have the perfect result the in the race, right? We have the perfect result. So we have to also output these values in the perfect order that is according to the query that is fired by the user. Okay. So for that, I have to reorder the whole answer. Uh, Answer reorder. Answer reorder. Order. Okay. This of I real to max beauty at this point of time, we have the maximum beauty that can be available. So I have to put this value into the result at that perfect position. Max beauty. So for doing this, I have to also actually I have to declare like this way, into len of queries, to UV of type is queries, the line of queries. Okay. After after this, I will just return the result. Okay, return this. Okay, this is done. So this is all about the code. So I will run this code. If there is no typos, this is good. Quite nice. It is passing all the test case. Let's submit this solution. Okay, actually, it is the optimal solution. Let's revise this problem. Actually, first and foremost, we have to sort both of the both of the array. Then we have to for each query we have to find the maximum beauty for each query. After finding that maximum beauty for that particular iteration, we will put the result in the perfect position that is actually needed. So this is all about the solution. And okay, I will come up with another problem next day if I get time. So yeah, this is all about the solution for this problem. And okay, and bye for today.